Wait, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Fact with Iykomo. This time around, this one is fatty. I saw on the internet.
Wait, continue.
There are some group of doctors in the USA. They just manufactured a pill. Once you don't take that pill, like 10 minutes later, any fat is just fat. It really smell like chocolate.
What?
It just got to me.
Look at it.
I don't know, this white, they don't just get sense. So if one mess now, make your mess just smell like chocolate and roses. You just take that pill. Wow. Nigeria, Lagos for here. Maybe say if you want make your mess they smell like tatashe, just take up 50 naira, with my 50. Come dilute am with milk. Take up 50 naira, with my 50. Come dilute am with milk.
Think say they white. To be mumu.
Anybody will pass you don't die. You don't even need pee. These three things for a corner, you don't finish work. Nonsense.
There is God, oh, there is God, oh, there is God, oh.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the funny video. Please, if you did, please subscribe. You see one red button, I don't know, let's say now here I'll be left. So anywhere you see the red button and the right subscribe, hit it. You can use your head and hit it like this, or use your hand. Just smash the red subscribe button there. Please click on it, and also hit the thumbs up like this, like this. I mean, you can share to your friends, your family members, your colleagues, your enemies. Please help the boy. Please, it's not easy. Help us here. Thank you. See you next Sunday. Peace.